Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share Spotify Wrapped on Snapchat Story. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Spotify application. Okay, then you need to click on your Wrapped and then you need to come to the last story and you need to wait for a few seconds so that the story will be finished. Okay, and here you can see the option of share. You can select any color according to your choice and click on share. And here you can see the option of Snapchat. Click on that. And here you need to select that story. Okay, and then you need to share that onto the Snapchat. So this is the process by which you can share your Spotify rap on Snapchat story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.